Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is kind of different. Birchbox unboxing. So Birchbox is like Ipsy for the UK. So in the US they have Ipsy, which is like a monthly subscription box, which they get like products like makeup and stuff like that. It's the exact same thing, it's just called Birchbox, and this is for the UK. So you sign up to them and it's like $12.95 monthly, something like that, and you get 5 products in it, which is amazing. Yeah, let's open it up. Basically what I'm going to be doing is trying it on my face. What I'm going to basically be doing is putting it on, like trying everything. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be trying on all the products that are in here on my face. There's like skincare products, there's other stuff, I don't know, there's makeup in here as well. So I'm just going to put everything on as we go along. So let's open it up. You don't understand, I'm so impatient when it comes to opening products. Whoa. So this is what the box looks like. That is so pretty. This is like the box the products are in. And this is the one the oh, that is so pretty. And then you like slide it out. So this is what the box looks like. I'm very excited. Okay, let's start with, what's this? So I got 2 masks. So which one should I try? Okay, so the first thing I got is from the brand called Balance Me. It's a natural skincare. It's an instant lift primer. Oh, okay, it's not. So this is a primer. This is what it looks like. It's cute. Look! Oh my god, this is so exciting. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this is mainly the reason why I signed up for this month. So this is like the first time I've done it. Oh yeah, I should probably tell you guys, this is the first month that I've done it. I have the April one coming, so blah blah blah. So every month that it comes, every time that it comes, I'm just gonna film like what's inside it and try it on, blah blah blah. But for this month, this is the main reason why I got this Bad Gal Bang mascara. And I think the one that they sell in store is bigger. So in store they have like the full size one, and then they have the travel size one, and I know the travel size one is like £10.50 or something like that. And this whole box is like £12 or something, so it's really worth it, and you get 4 other products with it. So the next product is from a brand called The Ritual of Sakura. It's a sensational foaming shower gel. Oh, it's a foaming shower gel. Oh, that's so exciting. How many products? There's 50 mils in this. I think this is a full size product actually. Oh wait, there's a card. This is what I got now. Okay, let's go back to the products so I can tell you guys like the price and stuff as well. So the Balance Me Lift Primer is for uneven skin tones. It fills in the pores. It has a velvety formula. It tightens and blurs enlarged pores. It's also got hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. So this is £22. Wow. Oh, so it's £22 for the full product. Sorry. And this mascara, the Benefit mascara, is £21.50 for the full size product. Oh, and the Ritual of Sakura foaming gel. Oh, this is a full size product, and this is £4.50. So this month I don't know if it's every month, but this month they let us choose between this face mask and another face mask. But this is from the company Black, so it's a peel off mask, and the full size product is £14. But this is 15 mils, which is quite a lot of product. So it says, when pores are clogged, blemishes are appearing, and your complexion is generally looking tired, this charcoal mask will draw out toxins and purify. First cleanse with a warm cloth to open up your pores, then apply an even layer, wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Now for the fun bit, slowly peel off in upwards direction to reveal a happy, healthy complexion. That sounds great. The last product is a mask from a company called Pro Blow. Adds moisture and strength. Can't read. Adds moisture and strength with a satin finish. Oh, it's a hair mask. Ooh. It's a hydrating hair mask. Oh, so why there's a hair mask in there as well is because there's makeup, skincare, hair products, it's everything inside it, which is amazing. And when you first sign up, you can fill out a description, description thing about yourself. So like what what your issues or your worries are for your skin, your hair, like how you like to wear makeup or things like that. So it's just like a little survey about you, and the products that you get given are based on that survey, which is gorgeous, amazing. If you guys are thinking of signing up and this interests you, I'll leave a link in the comment. This is £8 for a pack of 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on the brush and just put it all over my face. Oh, it's a really thick product. So the trick with this is you need to apply a layer that's not too thick, but not too thin either, or it won't like peel properly, and if it's too thick, it won't like dry properly. So around my nose and like down here are like my problem areas, like right down here. Time for the forehead. I'm gonna give it like 15 to 20 minutes to let it dry, and then we're gonna peel it off. I'm gonna give this time to dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been about way longer than 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna try to take it off. It said to peel it off in an upwards motion. Oh, wait, this hurts. Oh, damn it. I don't think this was meant to go all over the face. It's designed to target toxins and draw out impurities. Target! That's why there's a look, because you're not meant to put it all over your face, you're meant to put it in the target areas. Oh! Do you guys see how red my skin's going? It's like I'm literally waxing my face right now.
Is it itchy now?
No, I just really want to pain. I've endured as much pain as possible. I'm gonna go wipe the rest of it off and I'll be, no, like wash it off and I'll be back. Okay, so I just washed it off. I mean, that wasn't meant to be for all over the face, I don't think. It was just meant to be for like maybe like where you have like bigger pores and like texture or peeling skin, but I don't know there. But yeah, I mean my face feels really smooth. That feels really, really nice. If I look up close, I can definitely see that it's kind of like cleaned out my pores a bit. So yeah, I really, really like that. Okay, so in terms of like makeup, it's only these two products that I actually have to try. So this is a primer and this is mascara. So I think I'm just gonna do like a quick, like a very minimal makeup, like very, very minimal. Like minimal brow. I don't even want to do my brows. I hate doing my brows. I'm literally just gonna fill it in lightly.
Why do you hate doing your eyebrows?
It's so long.
Really? I feel like eyebrows is like the shortest. My eyeliner's the thing that takes it.
No, that was before. Now me, my eyeliner will take me like 2 minutes.
Oh,
honestly.
are you serious?
Yeah. It's just practice.
last time fixed.
But my eyebrows are like so hard to work with.
I feel like my eyebrows are the easiest thing to do.
You know what? Let's just say that we're going for like the feathery brows. Feathery brows. Oh, so to fill it in, I use the Collection brow powder, and now I'm using this Avon concealer. It's the Avon Ideal Flawless Cream Concealer in the shade Medium. For moisturizer, I'm going to use the Hydrogenius Aloe Water by L'Oreal. This feels so good on my skin after that mask. Feels good. I'm going to be using the primer. I'm just going to put it. Oh, I really like that. The little applicator. So I'm just going to put it like around my, like around here mainly. I'm going to really rub that in. I'm going to blend it out on here. That feels really nice. It feels really hydrating as well actually. Okay, I'm just going to use my Milani Concealer Perfect foundation in the shade Tan. And I'm also going to add in a bit of the YSL Touche Eclat Flettante foundation. If you're wondering why it's in like this big bottle, the place that I work at, we have like a lot of testers that come in, and if there's some of like the same, if there's like a lot of like the same shade, they'll just like give it to us. Okay, so I'm just mixing that. And I want to see how the primer will look under the foundation. So yeah. As concealer, I'm going to use just the YSL foundation. Yeah. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 315. I'm going to put on liquid highlight so that we stay with the dewy look, and I'm going to use, this is like a sample of the Lancome custom highlight drops in the shade Golden Glow. I'm going to put that just like in the highlight areas. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm just going to blend that in with the tip of my sponge. And now I'm going to go over that with the lighter shade, which I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it somewhere on the screen or in the comments. Right on the high point. I'm just going to store my brush in there. I just use it to kind of bronze. I'm not really contouring, just bronzing. Double chin be gone. Now I'm going to use the mascara. I'm so excited to use this. The Bakal Bang! So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm very bad. This is what it looks like. The wand is very like long and it's really tapered out at the end, so you can like you know, get in there. Whoa, I can already see a difference. Wow. Okay, this is very, very volumizing, but I feel like it can get clumpy really quickly. Oh, it is really good for the bottom lashes though. These are the NYX lip liners. I don't know which one I want to use. I'll go for this one, like a bit more pinky. This is in the shade Coffee/Cafe. Now I'm just going to put on a clear lip gloss. That I managed to come up with. So that's all that I can actually like physically try and camera, but let's just play around with this because why not? So this is the foaming shower gel. I'm just gonna put it in my hand and just see what happens. Ew, it's meant to foam.
I mean, I think you need to.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
really?
Oh, that smells
Really?
so good. This smells like a perfume.
Oh, it smells so good.
I don't know what perfume.
Al Shabab.
Huh? So that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this was like something different. And let me know if you guys would want me to make this a monthly thing. Let me know what you guys thought about the video. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Birchbox, I will have a link in the description. Just press it and then sign up. They have like an offer like this April where you get like a free brush. You get a brush. It's from the brand Spectrum. It's like a brush and like a highlight or something like that. And in that April Birchbox, you also get to choose between 2 highlighters from Models Co or something like that, which is right. This is my first month, by the way, and I'm really happy with what I got, and I'm very excited for next month's product. That's the end of my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment what you thought, blah blah blah, and I will hopefully see you guys in my next video.
Do you want me to stop recording?
No, I'll talk to myself. And I'll see you guys in my next